Skip the crowds and tourist traps. Welcome to Zanzibar, Africa's hidden paradise. Drone shots of turquoise waters, white sands, and vibrant coral reefs set the stage. Here, it's all about pure bliss. Immerse yourself in the spice markets of Stone Town, where traditional aromas fill the air. Ever heard of Zanzibar pizza? Get ready for the most mouth-watering street food experience that will blow your mind. And the sunsets? Oh, the sunsets. Hues of orange and pink reflecting on calm waters. A perfect ending to any day. Best time to visit? Between June and October, when the climate is tropical perfection. A true gem that's Black and LGBTQ+ friendly, making it a welcoming escape for all. So, pack your bags and let Zanzibar steal your heart. Where should we go next? Drop your dream destination below and don't forget to subscribe to Destination Travel for more wanderlust inspiration.